So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That is me. So as you can see by the thumbnail, I'm just going to make this a really short intro. We are going to hop into this. And yes, there's a reason I look like this, but we will get into that more in the video. So if you want to see what this is about and what this is all about, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, we are here now. Oh, really? I have my sunglasses still on? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Okay, so for the newcomers, we have so many newcomers. I just want to say hello, my name is Stephanie. I am the host of this channel. Yes, you will be spending however many minutes it takes to go over things with me. And guys, I have this. Oh my gosh. Let me first just tell you what this channel is about. It is a makeup channel, beauty related in all types of ways. Every way you can think of possibly. We do unboxings, tutorials, just really everything. I like to make you laugh. You know, I'm not like what I would consider a funny person, but people have told me that I'm funny. I don't see it, but well, sometimes I do. When I'm editing, I do crack myself up. But anyway, yeah, so what we have to, oh, and if you're new here or if you're just passing through and you've not seen me before, please, please subscribe to the channel. We are growing, guys, and it's like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in a dream. I really do. I feel like I'm going to wake up and this is all going to be gone for some reason. I mean, yeah, I don't know. It's kind of mind blowing, but, and that's all because of you guys. I just want to say thank you to the newcomers, to the people who have been with me. Thank you to all of you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, first, let's talk about this. First of all morning, it's like 90 something degrees. It's way past 91. I know that. Because it was 91 at 11 o'clock this morning. It's horrible. I was outside helping hubby with the car because yes, the rotors in my car, I don't even know what happened. They just passed the car and now the rotors are bad. Like, it's not even been 2 weeks. And I know that can't happen like that quickly. So, I don't know. Something funny going on. There's something rotten in Denmark. That's all I know. So, we were putting rotors on. So, I was outside helping hubby. And oh my gosh, it is sweltering hot. I do have my AC on low. I hope you can't hear it. I guess I'll check when I edit it. But so, I had my mail delivered today. And then we went out and we did some stuff. My mailman actually came early. But then I decided, he said, listen, I'm okay, go ahead in, and because I wanted to sit down and film with y'all, and I was hoping to get a video up either tonight or for tomorrow night, but I started to go in on my eye look, and I do have like a little bit of my tinted moisturizer and some bronzer on, but I was just going to leave that because I was working on my eyes, and I do have coming for you something really, like, oh my gosh, I gotta say, I'm super excited about it. Now, I'm super excited that I have it. Now, how it's going to perform, we don't know, but that is coming. So I stopped in the middle of that video to do this one. So yes, I have like 2 videos going. But anyway, I heard someone knock and I didn't like go to get it right away. And here comes hubby with this box in his hands. But I didn't see this part. All I saw was like this. And I'm like, what is that? Like, the mailman was here today. I checked the mail and this wasn't outside. He's like, no, I didn't see it either when I went outside. So anyway, we do have a box from Sephora. Now, guys, I didn't see this at first. So I did open it. Like, I just, like, opened it up. And then when I opened it, I was like, oh. And then I turned the box. I'm like, yeah, from Sephora. Okay. Because I just ordered this, guys. Like, just a few days ago. So shout out to Sephora for getting this to me so quickly. All right. So what we have in here, now just hang on. I will open the box. Bunch of this. Okay. Reminds me of BoxyCharm. But anyway, there we have that. I don't need that. And then we have, this is the Sephora Favorites Hello Bag. Now, I've never gotten one of these before, but I did see the Not So Evil Stepmother open one, you know, and all that. So we don't need that anymore. So this is what it is. Now, I don't know if these are every single month. But anyway, I have the Sephora app on my phone now, and I did see this pop up. So I was like, let me get it. Now, I don't know if this is old or new or whatever, but I said it would cost $10, and then I was able to get free shipping with the code free ship. So that's kind of awesome. So it is the Sephora Faves Hello. This says Out of World Beauty, okay? And then it says 15% off inside. And I don't know what that is. I did read a little bit about this on the website before I purchased it. But guys, it was just like a few days ago. So, like I said, wow, came really quick. It's kind of like the Macy's bag. Kind of reminds me of that. I don't know if there's a little pamphlet or anything. Like I said, I know nothing about this. So we're going to go over this and discover this together. It does say so much beauty to try, so little time and budget to do it. That's why we've made things easy with this pack of must-have Sephora favorites. Best of all, you get 15% off your next full-size purchase of any of the products in this bag. Now pop it open and meet your new beauty. Okay, so that's what it says right here, okay? And then, of course, you have this, like, and it is cute. I mean, I like the, it's plastic, but it's like a soft plastic. It's very, almost like a matte plastic, if that makes any sense. Okay, let me set that there. Oh, cool. So you do. It says 15% off, and these are little coupons, guys. You see? Okay, so on the back, it's, you have 15%. There's six little, they're like little coupons with the codes. Okay, now I'm just going to show you like that, okay? So I guess you will save 15% off of anything in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there is 6 things. Okay, so that's cool. Yeah, 6. Just making sure. Well, eye look, wow. But like I said, I started the eye look and I was like, you know what? Let me just quick do this because it just came. So that's awesome. All right. And I promise you the video that's coming with this, wow. Stay tuned for that, guys. Matter of fact, I have some friend mail I want to give away. So look out for those videos. They are going to be coming like boom, 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 one after the other. And then by then we'll be to where I pick the winners for my 750 milestone giveaway. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I don't pick them, you know, the random account picker. The winners will be chosen. Let's put it that way. All right. So the first thing I see here is, let's see. Okay. So I know this name. This is Living Proof Frizz, and the frizz is crossed out. It says frizz, I guess no frizz, intense moisture mask. So this is from Living Proof. Okay. Now, I don't have the prices, guys. I will see if I can edit them. I'm really not trying to edit this video as I drop something all that much because I really want to get it up for you tonight. And tonight is Saturday, by the way, that I'm filming. It's just a little guy. But, I mean, this is enough. This will probably be enough to do, like a mask once for my hair, maybe. Maybe twice if I, like, stretch it. I don't know. So you have that, and then you do have a coupon here to get 10% off. There's a little code you would enter if you want a full size. So these are all look like sample sizes, okay? Which, you know, for $10, I don't expect full-size products, but... All right, now, this guy, I got this from... Who is this from? Lancome? Yes. Lancome sent me 2 of these. I think I got this from... Yes, budgeagent.com sent me these. And that is yet another one, guys, if you're not aware, of a sampling community where they will send you usually full-size products, which I did get a full-size. And this is the Juicy Tubes. Now, if I remember correctly, I wasn't a fan of this, only because it was like a little sticky. And y'all know me, guys. Can't have sticky on my lips. Now, I do love, and I will say, this is from Lancome as well, this is the Lancome Absolute Lip Plumping Lip Balm. Long name, and it is heck of expensive. $26 for this tube. But guys, it is so worth it, and I will definitely be repurchasing, just so you know. This is the pink one, guys. I do have a clear one. I mean, it works, guys. I swear. You can just sit there and watch your lips go, boop. Okay, so I digress. Sorry. Now, the second thing in here is from Laneige, which I love this brand. This is the Glowy Makeup Serum. Oh, boy, I wish I knew that. I would have put it on under my whoops. I would have put it underneath my tint. Oh, my gosh. So it says Glowy Makeup Serum. I wish they would have, like, included something in here to, like, a description. Oh, no. Anyway, there's the there's the writing on there. No way your girl's going to do this. Probably not even with glasses, since my glasses are really not helping me anymore. I have to get my eyes checked, guys. I really do. Okay, so it just says, oh, no. I can't read anything. I would imagine, let's take it out of the package and see. I'm assuming it's some kind of serum that you can either, like, mix in with your... oh, it's a little guy. It's so cute. Okay, so here's eye drops to Lumify. Y'all know. Look how cute it is. It's just adorable. But it does have a little dropper. I gotta open this. I'm sorry. This is probably the littlest dropper thing I saw ever. Oh my! Look how little that is. But hey, is it in there? Yeah, there's enough. Let me see. I just want to put a little on my hand. Oh, it's very thick, so that's nice. I do like that. And it's got these things in it. It looks like. like, I don't know if y'all can see that. Can you see that? See those little dots? So that's kind of cool. I'm betting that's like the glow part of it. So does it make me shiny and glowy and lit from within? I don't know. And that was just the ever so little bit. Oh yeah, you could see that right on camera. And a lot of times you really can't. But yeah, I wish and it's not sticky. So that's very nice. Right in it, I like Laneige. I don't know how you say it, but I like it. I do have their lip mask, overnight lip mask that I do use. Okay, so that's the second item. Then we have, oh no, third item, sorry. Then we have this from Caudalie. This is the Vinyl Perfect. Oh Lord, these are so little. Serum. Okay. Hold please while I get my glasses. Okay. So that seems to be, I don't know if that's any better, but we're going to see. Right here we were. Oh no. Serum Eclat. It's Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. So let's see. I do have a bunch of Caudalie products, but I have not yet dove into them. So this is actually, I think, the same thing. It sure does look exactly complex. Oh no. Yes, this is exactly the same thing, guys. Look at what it says on this one, and then look what it says on this one. I will put it up to the camera so you guys, you want to pause the video. It really does say the same thing. So it's the exact same product. So I already have this. Have not tried it. I haven't tried any of the Caudalie products. Let's see. Let's try this. Let's see. I just like dropped a little. I didn't even touch my skin. Let me see. No, I don't smell anything. No, I don't really smell anything. So that's good. No smell. So I'm liking that. And then we have, this is Kiehl's, which I do like Kiehl's. It comes in one of the, it looks like a perfume. That's why I thought it was, but it's not. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Okay. And you have the little sample guy right here. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. These are just the cutest little samples. Okay. So where's the front? There it is. Like, there you go. Okay. If you can see that, let me get out of the way so it will focus. I don't know. So yeah, this just says Midnight Recovery Concentrate. So I'm all good. Listen, I really do like Kiehl's. This is what it says inside. Inside here, I guess a little disclaimer thingy or whatever, or like, you know, instructions or what it does, what its purpose is. It says this lightweight, readily absorbed elixir effectively restores skin's healthy appearance overnight, resulting in smoother, more radiant complexion by morning. Okay, well, if it does that, I am all for it. Enriched with squalene, a botanical lipid similar in molecule structure to natural skin lipids. So that's cool. Let's see. It says oil rich in omega-6 fatty acids and essential oils, including lavender, which I don't know. Oh no, if it's got lavender, I am just going to pick it to smell it, guys. And it is filled to the top. You can absolutely see. It's not terrible. I can smell just a hint of it, so I'm okay with that. If it sounds like, oh, I can't do lavender. No, I'm not a lavender, but it's very, very light. So there must be other stuff in there, like other oils. Our formula provides a boost of essential, what does that say? Moisture. Okay, moisture to depleted skin. These natural oils instantly penetrate the skin surface to help replenish it. So that's cool. You put it on at night and you wake up and your skin is better. I mean, that's what it's claiming to do. So if it does work, then I'm all down for that. Now, the last thing is a fragrance, and this is the Yves Saint Laurent Libre. Guys, I have so many of these. Well, y'all saw, or did you see, that big box that I got? I think I got like 10 samples in the 1 week, and I got more since then. It's crazy. I mean, I legit have a giant bin full of these things. But I'm not going to take it out. I don't want to spray it because I have stuff on already. Oh, I can smell it. Yeah, I can smell it. It's kind of nice. Kind of smells like soap, but in a perfumey way, and that's cool. I do like fresh things. Let's just recap. Now, this is what I got for $10. It was $10.60. Shipping was free because with the code free ship, I am a rewards member or whatever they call that. So we had the Lancome Juicy Tube, which is a lip gloss, okay, and it is, in my opinion, is very sticky. I can't use it. It does give you that like very wet look. So there's that. And then we have from Laneige, the glowy makeup serum. And then we have the Living Proof No Frizz Intense Moisture Mask. And then we have the Caudalie Vinyl Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion Correction, okay? And then you have the Kiehl's, and then you have the perfume. So all of these things, okay, so there are 6 separate items, and they're all sample size. I mean, you know, I guess for $10, I'm not expecting a whole bunch of like full size, but you do have these, and then you have a little like ticket code thing that you would take off each, you know, each item has a code assigned for it, and you get 15% off. So I mean, that's kind of cool. I'm all down for saving money. So if I'm going to buy something because I like it anyway, why not save the 15%? So that was cool. They threw that in there. All right. So there you have it. That is the Sephora favorites. Now, I don't know if this is for the month of June. It didn't like specifically say, not that I can remember. No, it's just like what it says here on the back, you know, so little time and so little budget. So you get to try these things. I mean, are they the greatest huge samples? No, but it's enough to try. So for $10, I think that's cute. And because it was $10, I got another one for you guys. So yeah, I was like, it's $10 and it's cute. And I'm going to go ahead and do, you guessed it, a giveaway in this video. So the rules will be listed not down below because this is a surprise giveaway. And for those of you who are watching, you will know, and for those of you that don't see it, I guess they won't know. But I mean, I hope everyone does, you know, enter and watch the video, and good luck to everyone. I will tell you really quickly, the rules are, YouTube is not responsible in any way for this giveaway. I am. Neither of any of the brands mentioned in this bag or Sephora themselves. You must be 18 or older. I'm going to keep this one US, guys, because I do have another giveaway coming that is international. So be on the lookout, and I will not announce that one either, okay? So that will be a hidden giveaway. And I'm very excited to bring that video too. Oh my gosh, like so happy. And I did speak about it in the beginning of this year, so just be mindful of that. All right, so yeah, you must be 18 or older, and you don't have to live in the US at all. If you have someone, a friend or something that you know lives here, I will absolutely ship it to them. And then maybe, I don't know if you come for a visit, or they go there, or they can get it to you somehow, you know. That's fine. I have no issues with that. But it must be a U.S. shipping address, okay? You will have to use the word Sephora in a sentence, because that won't be looking any kind of weird, because the title will have Sephora in it. Please put it in a sentence. Don't put it large, or don't put it in caps, because people coming through reading the comments, they will know, you know what I mean? That people are smart. They figure that kind of stuff out. You must be subscribed, of course, and you must be public, guys. I can't stress that enough. If you are not public, you will not be eligible for any of my giveaways. You always have to be. That's just something that should be known. I will say it every time, but just know that being public is a way I verify. And I absolutely, when the random comment pickers picks the name, I go to that comment, I click on it, and it will show me if you are public or not. Okay. So yes, please make sure your YouTube account is public. This giveaway, let's just do this until, I guess, I don't know, July 1st, okay, the holiday weekend, and I will ship it right after 4th of July, but I will pick the winner on the 2nd, so you have until midnight of the 1st, July 1st to enter, and yeah, there you go. I hope, I mean, it's just a little something cute. I thought, you know, hey, why not? Guys, in the comment down below, aside from your entry, please tell me, who got the Jeffree Star palette, like the buy one, get one free? Who did that? And if you did, which palettes did you grab? Because let me just tell you, if I were going to do it, as a matter of fact, I did have them in the cart, and then I thought about it. I was going to get the Blood Money, right? Blood Money, and I was going to get another Jawbreaker palette so that I could do a giveaway with it. So I do have a couple of friend mails coming. I do have another hidden giveaway coming up very shortly, so please be on the lookout for that. And yeah, that's it. I just want to say, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Please rate the video thumbs up. And I just want to say thank you for being here, guys. I'm sorry I was MIA. We have been really working. This car has been driving us nuts, and I had a little issue, not like a little bit of a health scare, nothing major. It wasn't anything like I was sick. It had to do with medication that I take. I wasn't able to get it, and it just, yeah, it was just a nightmare, and I was going through that, and so I've got that worked out now. Everything is fine, and here I am back. The next video I cannot wait to do, because I'm going back to the video I started, and it is going to be an eye look with a very special palette, so just be on the lookout for that, okay? All right, guys, until I see you in the next one, please remember, if you are going through something, please share about it. Don't hold it in. Don't keep it bottled up. It can just do more harm. And if you are asked to listen to someone that needs to share, please do so. Be that friend that listens, you know? And always, like I say, please, in this great, crazy, big world that we live in, please, guys, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. Radiant Serum Color Complexion, can I speak?